Hi there. I get a lot of questions asked about the picture quality on non-HD channels and HD channels and video file formats that support the Mi TV 4A 43 inches. So I thought I'll make a video about it. First we shall play the samples of 10 popular movie file formats like the MKV, MP4, M4V, AVI and many more. Then we shall see the video quality of the non-HD SD channels, which is standard definition. Then we'll see the HD quality videos and finally 4K. This is your friend Texting. Let's get started. So let's start with the movie file formats. And remember, we are going to use the default multimedia player that comes pre-installed in the Mi TV. Let's start with an AVI file, and it works perfectly fine. FLV file, and it works fine as well. The MKV file, yes, MKV works, and I know most of our movie formats are either MP4 or MKV, and MKV works absolutely fine. Time to check out the MP4, and yes, MP4 works fine as well. The mpeg file, yes, mpeg file plays as well. VOB file format, and VOB plays as well. WMV, no, the WMV stutters a lot. I wouldn't recommend you watching file formats in WMV. .3GP file, it doesn't support the 3GP file format. M4V, and M4V plays absolutely fine. The MOV file format, and MOV plays without any problem. The MTS file format. Okay, the MTS movie plays perfectly fine, but it doesn't support audio. I don't think it should be a problem because it isn't a very popular format anyway. The Mi TV 4A's default multimedia player supports all major file formats, so playing your favorite movies and videos should not be a problem. Yes, it didn't support 3GP and WMA, but I don't think most of us use those file formats. The most common ones are MKV, MP4, so they work absolutely fine. SD channels are decent, definitely viewable. HD channels are just perfect for ideal viewing experience. I recommend you use an HD set-top box. "4K videos unleash the full potential of the Mi TV. Videos are crystal clear. The picture quality of a 4K video even on a HD panel is jaw-dropping. Simply brilliant. The video that you just saw might differ in real life because it was recorded on a camera barely 3 feet away from the TV. But yes, you get an idea of how the viewing experience will be. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comment section if there are any questions regarding the Mi TV. I'll be happy to help. Also, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until next time, cheers.